everybody, my name is Abhyuday. Today I am going to tell you what is matter. This matter is really different. Okay, so this is the matter used in science. Okay. This is not the matter used in English vocabulary. This is the matter used in science. So, let us study matter. By the end of this video, you will be able to differentiate what is matter, how to get the examples of matter, and how does the particles of the stages of matter behave. Okay? So, let's go deeper into matter. Are we ready? Yes. What is matter? Matter is anything that takes up space or has weight. So, you are also matter. So, do you take up space? Of course you do. Okay, let's prove this that you take up space by sleeping on a bed. You see, you're sleeping on a bed. Aren't you taking space from the bed? Right? Yes or no? Correct. You are taking space on the bed. And do you have weight? Of course everybody has weight. So, my weight, my sister's weight, my mother's weight. You can, every human has weight. Almost everything around you is matter. Yes? So what are the three main stages of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. There are also more two stages called plasma and Bose-Einstein coordination. Understand? So, but we are only going to learn three stages of matter. When you get a little older, you are going to learn Bose-Einstein coordination and plasma. Okay? Let's go. The first stage of matter is solid. Solid particles are still and do not move. They have a fixed shape and fixed volume. So to prove this, they have a fixed shape and fixed volume. Take your nearest chair around you. Try to change that chair by, taking it. Just try to break it or just try to change its shape from this straight to a bit down. Try it. Okay, you can't do it. It has a fixed shape. Things will never change. But the human brain is a bit more smarter than nature's brain. So we have developed weapons to change the shape of what we call solid. Like gold can be changed into lines. So they just make the gold straight, change the shape. But naturally we can't. It's the technology which help us. Understand? So let's move on. So it takes up space. Like I showed you in the bed activity. The bed activity. You take up space in the bed when you sleep at night or maybe take a nap in the noon. So you take up space in the bed and you have your certain weight. Like my sister's weight was around 15 kgs. Right? So, yeah. Now let's move on to the next, liquids. Liquids doesn't have a fixed shape but has a fixed volume. So, liquid takes a shape of their container, or else they move and move and move. Liquid particles are apart from each other and like moving around. So they move around very frequently, but not so much frequently. If you pour some water in a jar, you see it takes the shape of your container. But if you spill the water, you see the water is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's getting big like a puddle, so you can splash in it. But why is it getting bigger? Because the particles in the water is moving and moving and moving. Right? Yes or no? Yes, right? So they move and move and move and move. So they move very frequently. Now, let's go on to the third stage of matter, which is gas. So gas doesn't have a fixed shape or fixed volume. It does take the shape of the container. But you know what? It fills up the container. Suppose you fill a bottle with gas. No matter how much is it, even if this much also, it will fill the whole container. But if you see liquids, the liquids only fill the container how much their quantity is. But how much gas quantity it always takes the shape of their container. Understand? So, now I'm going to tell you a very special secret. The lower part of matter is molecules. So I told you now what the water particles move very frequently, right? They move very frequently. But gas particles move more frequently than they do. Understand? So the particles in the air are called air molecules, while the particles in water are called water molecules, and particles in solid is called solid molecules. Understand? So there are many other stages. I will tell you from the start. Okay? Ready? The first comes nucleus. Now many nucleus form one atom, and many atoms form one molecule, and many molecules of one kind create that matter. So water molecules, they are made of many water molecules. Understand? Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe. And before we go, here are the 3 stages of matter we learned. Hope you enjoyed today's videos. Please subscribe and click the like button and share this video. Bye bye.